Welcome to the Windows Club. Trying to boot your Windows PC from a USB drive, but it keeps loading Windows or doesn't detect the USB drive at all? Whether you are installing Windows, repairing your PC, or using a recovery drive. This problem is usually caused by an incorrect BIOS setting, an improperly created bootable USB, or a secure boot conflict. In this video, I will show you through the most effective solutions. Let's get started. Check the boot order, restart your computer and access the BIOS or UEFI settings by pressing the appropriate key during startup. Check the manufacturer's website or the user manual for the exact BIOS key. Once inside the BIOS, open the boot menu, look at the boot priority or boot order section. Move your USB drive to the top of the list, save the changes and restart your PC. Ensure the USB drive is actually bootable. You can use different methods to check if your USB drive is bootable. If possible, test the USB on another computer. If it also fails there, recreate the bootable USB. You can use Mobile Live CD that allows you to run a bootable USB drive check on your computer. For UEFI systems, the USB should normally be formatted as FAT32. Disable Secure Boot and enable Legacy Boot. Go back into the BIOS, locate Secure Boot under the Security or Boot tab. Temporarily disable Secure Boot, then look for CSM Support or Legacy Boot and enable it if your motherboard provides the option. Save the settings and restart your PC. If your USB boots successfully, you can always re-enable Secure Boot later if required. Recreate the USB drive. If nothing works, create the installation media from scratch. Use the latest version of the Windows Media Creation tool or Rufus or other free tools to create a fresh bootable USB. This solves many boot issues caused by damaged installation media. Those are the most effective ways to fix a Windows PC that won't boot from a USB drive. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Windows Club for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.